Hey there, Ryker owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our F4 Customs windshields for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. F4 Customs Motorcycle Windshields are manufactured from the highest grade of optical polycarbonate for amazing clarity, excellent rain shedding capabilities, and are even chemical and scratch resistant as well as shatterproof. These F4 shields for the Ryker feature an industry-first recurve at the top of the shield to push wind up and over your head, and has even been designed to allow for full articulation of the Ryker glove box. Now you do have a few decisions to make when selecting your new F4 Ryker windshield. Not only are the shields available in both a 13 and 16-inch height option, but they're also available in either a clear or tinted. The clear shields are recommended for those of you that do a lot of night riding, or for those of you that just prefer the visibility of a clear windshield. Now the tinted shield option is a 15% tint level that acts like a pair of sunglasses during the day and reduces headlight glare for night riding. These shields come delivered to your door pre-assembled with all the necessary mounting hardware, making for a super easy at-home installation. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. So start by lining up the 4 holes on the bracket to the 4 holes on the back of your gauge cluster. Then insert the new T30 torque screws finger tight. And then once they're all in, tighten them down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Now that the installation is complete, let's take a look at the 2 different shield sizes with me in the riding position, and for reference, I'm exactly 6 feet tall. Now, if either of these windshields seem right for you and your Can-Am Ryker, be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.